Next question is question number 12. A sum of rupees 1780 becomes 2136 in 4 years. Means principal and amount both are given and then time is given. We have to find rate of interest. Getting? So firstly we will find simple interest by using the formula amount is equals to P plus simple interest, and take P to another side. It will becomes 2136 minus 1780 rupees. So it will become 6 356 rupees. So now simple interest is with us, so we can find rate easily. Start putting the values in the formula. You will get 356 rupees will be equals to 1780 rupees into rate as it is, time is 4/100. 0 will be cancelled. Now it becomes 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now take these numbers to the another side to find the value of R. 356, 5 will go in the numerator and 178 rupees will come in the denominator, and 2 will also come here, which equals to R. Now if you want you can cancel this 356 with 2, but बिफोर कैंसलिंग विद दिस मैंने देखो सिंपली ऐसे ही देखा है कि ये 8 है 6 है, मीन्स 8 2 ज़ा 16. जब इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 7 ज़ा 14, जो वहाँ यहाँ से बन रहेगा ऐड होकर 15 बन जाएगा. इट मीन्स ये 2 से जा सकता है, तो मैंने इसको 2 से सीधा कैंसिल करा. कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशन की चीज़ नहीं है, इट्स वेरी ईजी. 2 1 ज़ा 2, सो 5% विल बी द रेट. That is the answer of first part. And the second part is find the sum. Means we have to find principal that becomes rupees 810, जो कि 810 rupees हो जाता है. Means this is the amount in 7 years and the rate of interest is same means which rate of interest that we have found in first part. So let's start the question. Amount is given, time is here, rate is 5%. We have to find principal. So in these kind of cases what we do, we have already done similar question in the previous questions. So what we will do, we will just let principal is equals to 100 rupees, and if principal is this, we will find simple interest. 100 into R is 5, time is 7/100. It becomes 35 rupees, right? And the amount will be 100. Principal is 100 na, 100 plus 35 is equal to rupees 135. So if amount is 135, so principal will be 100. Principal is 100 rupees. ठीक है, तो अगर अमाउंट इतना है तो प्रिंसिपल इतना है. इफ़ अमाउंट इज़ 1, वही बेटा यूनिटरी मेथड लगा रहे हैं. अमाउंट इज़ 1, सो प्रिंसिपल विल बी 100/135. इफ़ अमाउंट इज़ 810 rupees, रादर देन सो यू कैन राइट देन लिखिए यहाँ पे then principal is equals to 100/135 into 810. So 0, sorry, not 0, this is the what we get, that is, now we will cancel it. Both can come in the table of 5, even these two we can cancel with any one. So if we will cancel it with 5, we will get 20, and with this 5 2s are 10, 3 35, means 5 7s are 35, 27 1s are 27, 21 sorry 27 3s are 81. It becomes 30. 3 2s are 6. It becomes 600. मैंने बोला मैं पहले दो लेटर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करती हूँ, बाकी जीरोस काउंट करके साथ में लगा देती हूँ. So that is the required answer. This is the principle that we have to find, right? So with this question we have completed up to question number 12. Thank you.